What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I've got the Cayman all taken apart right now because in today's video we will be installing the new FABSPEED Super Cup exhaust system. It finally came this weekend and we're finally ready to get it installed. I've been patiently waiting for about a month now for this exhaust to arrive, but it's finally here, so the wait is over. I've obviously already got it unboxed, but I want to show you guys the unboxing video, so let's go ahead and get over to that right now. Oh man, guys, check this out. This looks beautiful. So I got this one with the carbon fiber tips. Let's see how those babies look. Ooh, those are gonna look nice. It's all stamped and everything. So their race system is just basically a catback system with a resonator on both sides, and it deletes the rear cats. There's two cats in the back and it gets rid of both of them. There you have it. So previously I had the Soul Performance exhaust on the Cayman. It sounded really good, but it wasn't quite loud enough for me, so that's why I opted with the Super Cup exhaust. It's basically resonators instead of mufflers. So that in itself is gonna make it a lot louder than the Soul Performance exhaust system. And not to mention the quality work by FABSPEED Motorsports. Just check that out. It looks so good. I opted with the carbon fiber tips. They look beautiful. They even weld these little FABSPEED Motorsports tags on them. They look super sweet. So before I get the FABSPEED exhaust installed, I want to show you guys what the Soul Performance exhaust sounded like. So let's go ahead and get over to those clips right now. So there you have it. That is the Soul Performance catback. Sounds really clean. It doesn't have really any drone at all. Really good for daily drivers, but I'm just looking for something a little bit louder, so I really think that FABSPEED exhaust will really suffice. All right, guys, what did you think about the Soul Performance exhaust? Sounds pretty good, right? But I definitely think it could be louder. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the new FABSPEED exhaust installed. All right, guys, so I've got everything pretty much pulled out already, ready to go, ready to be installed. But one quick thing. So this exhaust actually did not come with any exhaust gaskets. I don't know if it was supposed to. Maybe they missed putting them in the box. I'm not too sure, but I went ahead and got some from Porsche. They're about $15 each. So maybe plan on getting a set of those just in case. I'm not sure what my situation was on this, but just in case, go ahead and get yourself some new exhaust gaskets. These are probably reusable, but I wanted to go ahead and get some new ones anyways. All right, so there you have it. There's the exhaust flange. So these are obviously just gonna go right here on the exhaust. So you're gonna wanna make sure and get it lined up the way that it wants to be. So you might need to play with that a little bit, figure out exactly where it needs to be on the exhaust. That actually looks pretty good right there. All right, guys, and then one more thing I recommend on the exhaust is grab some gloves, some alcohol, microfiber towel, and clean off all of the fingerprints on the exhaust, because usually those will stain as soon as the exhaust gets hot. All right, guys, so everything is all cleaned up, so let's go ahead and get this baby installed. Alright guys, so the exhaust is finally all finished up. It is installed. Everything went really well. Took a little bit of time getting everything adjusted and lined right, but check it out. So honestly, the hardest part about installing the exhaust was getting these V-band clamps to mount up correctly. But other than that, everything else went really smooth. So really happy with the install. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera and give you guys a cold start. It sounds super good. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so that's what it sounds like at a basic idle. That is as quiet as it gets. It's honestly perfect. So I've already gone out and drove the car, and it's honestly the perfect tone and the perfect amount of loudness. It's not too loud, but it's not too quiet. You still get a little bit of some pops in there on decel, so it's pretty sick. So we'll go ahead and get the car out on the road. We'll give you guys some in-cabin sounds and then also some drive-bys. So yeah, let's go for it. That was wild. Sounds really good inside too. It's not really that droney at all. Alright guys, so what do you think about the new FABSPEED Super Cup exhaust? I'm super happy with how everything turned out, with how the install went, and with how it sounds. It sounds so good. So good. I just want to say thank you so much to FABSPEED for helping me out on the exhaust, and I am proud to be a FABSPEED user. If you guys have any questions about the FABSPEED exhaust, just drop them in the comments down below, and also on the car itself. Just a quick walk around. I'm running the Pandem V2 body kit for the 987 Cayman S. I've got Forgestar F14 wheels with yellow speed, dynamic pro coilovers, and now a new FABSPEED exhaust. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's all I have for you guys today, so we'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.